Are you looking for a beautiful smile custom designed just for you? Then you are at the right place. Hi, I'm Dr. Renu Vatkar, an orthodontist by profession. Orthodontia deals with correction of malaligned and crooked teeth. Straight teeth and a beautiful smile can enhance self-confidence and self-esteem at any age. Whether you're starting out with your new job or getting married, or if you have a school-going kid whose jaw mismatch issues seem to bother you a lot. We have a variety of treatment options in modern orthodontics. Be it conventional metal braces to aesthetically pleasing Invisalign, we have it all at Smile Dental and Orthodontic Clinic. Fail to plan is a plan to fail. Quite often you must have seen people who have undergone braces treatment before will have some relapse after a few years. This may be due to inadequate diagnosis and treatment planning or inadequate post-op care. We specialize in treating such complex relapse cases. We give utmost care to diagnosing and treatment planning right from the beginning. Do you know that the first orthodontic checkup should be done at the age of 7? There are many complex orthodontic cases that we are treating today that could have been avoided altogether if we had seen them at a younger age. Interceptive orthodontics is the most important yet the most ignored branch of dentistry. Pure work, no fuss. If professionalism in a clean and comfortable ambience is what you're looking for, then this is the place to be. Signing off, Dr. Renu Vatkar from Smile Dental and Orthodontic Clinic. See you there.